Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox back at you with another video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy breakfast. It's simple, it's easy, and it's banana pancakes. So if you love bananas and you want to up your potassium level, stay tuned for the video. I want to show you some of the ingredients you're going to need to make this wonderful dish. You're going to need some bananas. Now depending on how many pancakes you're making, you will need some bananas. You're also going to need some ground cinnamon. You're also going to need some oats. These are whole grain oats. All right. You're going to need some eggs, some peanut butter. The healthier peanut butter, the better. And you're also going to need a little taste of salt. Okay, plus you're going to need your cooking oil or butter that you normally make your pancakes with, so you're going to need that as well as a pan. Okay, so let's start this video right now. So to start this off, you're going to need to peel one banana. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to mash this up. Okay, just going to mash your bananas into your bowl. Then you're going to need 2 eggs, okay? So you're going to crack 2 eggs inside of your banana bowl, inside your bowl. Then you're going to add in there 1/4 cup of oats. Next, we're going to add in 1 spoon of our peanut butter. Then you're going to need 1 pinch of cinnamon powder. Just a pinch. As well as a pinch of your kosher salt. So then now you just mix everything together in your bowl. Like so. Okay, so in the meantime now, you wait until your pan is hot. So what we're going to do is put our butter in our pan. And now that your pan is hot, let's start pouring our batter. there you have it, you guys. Banana pancakes. All you gotta do is throw your favorite topping on it and you're ready to eat. A nice healthy meal that is within your healthy lifestyle journey. Okay? So don't forget, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you want to see more wonderful meal plan ideas, healthy meal ideas, just let me know. And I will bring more of those on the channel for you, okay? But if you're asking, what can I cook while I'm on my healthy weight loss journey? This is a nice idea for you, all right? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see more meal ideas like this, you hit that like button down below, thumbs it up, and I will have more videos like this out for you. And also don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will get hair care, skin care, family vlogs, and fashion hauls on that channel, okay? And also check down below the links for other items like the NUTRIBULLET blender, as well as the metal straws. I have links down below, okay? So thank you all for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.